Seagulls are very clever. They learn, remember and even pass on behaviors, such as stamping their feet in a group to imitate rainfall and trick earthworms to come to the surface. Seagulls' intelligence is clearly demonstrated by a range of different feeding behaviors, such as dropping hard-shelled molluscs onto rocks so that they break open so they can eat them, and following ploughs in fields where they know upturned grubs and other food sources will be plentiful. Seagulls are attentive and caring parents. The male and female pair for life, and they take turns incubating the eggs and feeding and protecting the chicks. Gulls have a complex and highly developed repertoire for communication, which includes a range of vocalisations and body movements. Seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water. Most animals are unable to do this, but seagulls have a special pair of glands right above their eyes, which is specifically designed to flush the salt from their systems through openings in the bill. Seagulls are fondly remembered in Utah for helping Mormon settlers deal with the plague of crickets. The seagull is now the state bird of Utah, and a monument in Salt Lake City commemorates the event, known as the Miracle of the Gulls.